Hello everybody and welcome back to Casual Aquatics. Today, you guessed it or you read it, I have another live plant unboxing, and this one's coming from Shrimpin' Ain't Easy. Now Thomas is a really good dude. I've been knowing him for a couple years in the hobby anyhow, and I appreciate everything he does for the hobby and his generosity when dealing with people. He's very thorough. If you have questions while receiving, he will reply to you as soon as he can. As most of you know, I'm trying to plan out my 125, so I've been ordering plants from all over. Anywhere I can get a dill or something of that nature, then I'm gonna try them out. Now, I can't remember the exact names of all of them. I know there should be a Hygro Willow, a Temple Blue, I believe, a Ludwigia something, and a Giant Micro Sword, which he threw in as a surprise bonus, and I am curious to see this. Now, after you guys watch this, if you go to his site, if you spend $25 or more, he will give you 15% off with the code Casual Aquatics. So be sure to check him out. He has beautiful fish. He also has shrimp and, of course, beautiful plants. So without further ado, I kind of cut it open here, but I have not looked at it. So I'm going to pull it out of here and, oh, I'm losing the plants inside of the bag. Imagine that. Now if he has a double bag. Alright, I pulled it out, guys. These things look good. I'm going to take a second and actually get them out of these bags, and I'll show you, and then we'll wrap up this video after I get them in the tank. I forgot to mention that I also got this carpet implant. Now, I can't pronounce that word, Sturogen or something, but I'm sure a lot of you know what it is. But as far as carpeting, I'm going to do a bunch of random different carpets. This tank's going to look crazy, but as long as it's full of plants and happy, thriving fish, that's the goal. Alright everybody, so we got the Ludwigia in there. And then over here we got that Giant Micro Sword. It looks pretty good. Got this big old Temple plant. Now it's looking kind of heavy, but I'm sure once the roots get bedded in and it starts reviving itself, it's going to spring right up, and this whole corner over here should start getting filled in with leaves and plants. Again, the whole goal is a jungle. So many plants that it's crazy. Now, I might start holding off on some stem plants, letting what I have start to grow and do its thing, and my focus will be moving to carpeting plants. And that's what that S plant was. And then, of course, Micro Sword, but that thing's giant, so it's more of a mid-ground than a foreground. But we'll see. I'll play around with it. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Be sure to go check out Shrimpin' Ain't Easy. Get 15% off with the code Casual Aquatics if you spend $25 or more. And as always, everybody, stay casual.